Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time to come across my video, may you not forget, may you subscribe. What you dey wait for? Those of una where they unsubscribe, thank una so much. More una try well because as una they unsubscribe, another good people they subscribe too. So may you know say your time, now your time they go, not my time, because now that time you take come there, come unsubscribe. Now at the same time, people still come to subscribe. You understand me? So you are on your own. That one not my issue, not my headache. You understand me? I still thank on where those ones when it be say then subscribe for me. I thank on where now God go bless on. Yes. Now God go bless on. Yes, I don't come again. Man, I can't tell on something when it be say that it dey happen for this our industry. Una know about that video where I post yesterday where I say that girl and that boy, Yoruba guy and Agbo girl. Yes. Another video don't still come again. So as another video come again, based on person when it be say they use a brain and a conuche, you understand me? You know, so I not first see the girl picture before. If I see the girl picture before, I for know because the former guy, I tell una say I know the guy. He always do live video well for Facebook, but the girl face not show. That is why. So as I can't see another video about person gonna send me say this guy still they do this matter. I can't say no, something they behind it. So let me go find out waiting they solve for that job industry. So I come find out and say that guy they doing comedy. As in not be say they do comedy, they won't start, you know. Why that our sisters too? Still they do YouTube and all this Facebook page something. So that two of them now can collaborate. Can they do this kind of thing where then they do so. So you know, I be best when it be say before they do something now they try to look around, find out say how this thing they happen, how this thing not they happen. So maybe say you know go fit go carry person where juju key, make the juju now from there enter you begin kill you too. So now it make it be say I dey always do something when I want do something. I dey always find out say how far how this thing will carry, how this thing will carry. Because I know say this kind of video now it be video when it be say now him be my topic. I not get any other topic apart from women and men where they misbehave for this Europe. Now him be my topic. So wetin come make me find out now wetin them be now, because you know see my video I must do this video reach 7 times if na real it happen. So I can't say I come out, I can't let una know say now this girl one now they see here and this boy now then they do the thing. So now then they do the comedy. So now then they do that thing. So now I make a come out say I can't tell una say now so it be. First of all, me una still watch the one where they do. So that after una watch the one where they do, we go continue. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Why you do like this? Why me they do like this? As a short man, I don't tell me come up for this house. I tell you about 3 days now police give you. Now you call police for yourself. Have you call police for yourself?
But I don't beg you this morning now.
3 days now police give you. See the way you take them. See the way you take them. I don't tell me come up for my house.
Why you call it?
I don't tell you as a short man. Come out. Okay. No, I go video you so that people will know who do the bad.
Who be the person when they pump you like this?
Nobody spoil my mind. Now you be the bad person. Come out. You know what?
Okay,
you know what? Wait,
my friend tell me say on Monday, may I come inside.
Okay. On Monday. But now 3 days now. Now 3 days now police give you. Tomorrow not be police. Not be you call police for yourself.
I don't sweep. I don't do anything. I don't see the help you do.
Who police tell you say me come for 3 days. So what? Which till on Monday next week? That time you come they beg. I say you they beg me every time.
Do you know a video like this now? The video not good.
I go video you. Me go video you.
All my friend now they come MC Shortman. What did they have?
MC Shortman, you go come up for this house today. Now tomorrow night the police give you. Wait it one remain again, not be tomorrow. So you go. You're not supposed to dey sweep. What do you call the sweep for? I don't understand. They post that video now. They say, "Na me be the bad person." Now you be the bad person.
No be bad person.
No, they beg me.
You not be bad person.
Now you be the bad person.
I mean, I know say I don't offend you.
Yeah.
I know say I offend you.
No, you need to come out.
You
dey sweep. Yeah, before I come, you don't wash clothes. You don't they cook. Who send you? I tell you say make you cook. I tell you say make you cook. I tell you say make you sweep. I tell you make you wash clothes. They go back, go
No,
work.
go upload this video.
I'm not going to upload down.
Why you call the video me?
I go video you because maybe people see me and say, see what you do. Because now you when they talk say, they talk now say, now me be the bad person. Now you be the bad person. They don't know.
All this is not good. All this is not good.
He good. Now they beg me. Me as I dey like this, I resemble person be say he go fit do bad. As I dey like this, me I resemble person be say I go fit do bad. As I dey like this, as I dey like this. Now I look me, I be like person be say I go fit do bad. I go fit do boy bad. And this boy now be the bad person. You come out. Carry your do make you carry your bag. I don't know what you can they do for years this morning. I don't know. Every time don't tell me come up for this house. Come up for this house. You know go here. Come up for this house. I don't come up for this house. You know 1 year. Come out.
All this thing they do.
Yes. Now God, now I go judge you too. Now I go judge you. Side B. Every time come out. You don't go green come out. They sweep. They sweep like say too sabi.
Yeah, my people. When I don't see the video, so now the one where they do yesterday be that. So don't mind them. Then they find attention. Then they find view. You know. So that thing is not real. It's not real. So now you make a come and see my content. Now I know say very soon this is our industry. This is our social media something. Very soon we go get PDP, APC, DHE or this. You know I know say many team not there now. Then get Monica team, Lolo team, Gladys team, Vera team. All of them don't get team. You dey hear me so now everybody get different team now. So everybody they find view, everybody they find many things, but not be so America and Europe, not be so that they do their own. No, like just that we in Africa will be black, we nothing there our head, everything there our head now. Oh yeah, you they hear me? We not they think good. Our thinking they different. We they think say God go throw away money come, God go throw away this. Many things there where we be say they happen for Africa, where we be say go fit go front. So my people, may we go the next. May we go the next one.
You know, my name is Jennifer. Madam will carry me come say no go leave me make I go. Say Oba no dey there where they carry me come say me I must pay him money finish oh. Out of 35,000 where he carry where he cut for me, I don't pay 30. No be say I no get no be say I no fit pay the 30,000. But don't say Oba don announce and say make we no dey pay again. Now I know if you pay that 5,000. What be say na here I follow come, na grand I follow come, na in Libya I follow inside desert though. They gonna help me reason the matter. Queen say no go leave me. Say me must pay. Go they call their families. When they call me, their family, my pint and everything they there. They say they no go carry my pint. Give me. Say they go you can go do something so that they go deport their head. Not be me. Say they go deport me. God they go give me sickness where I go die. I did not be say if I can't carry on back, come meet her tomorrow. When they not say I do bad, you know, I do wrong. Based on say Oba don't free us. Say I can't get mine, can't go arrest her. Oh, so make I tell Nana Tolu she dey stay. Queen, now be her name, Queen Godwin. If she didn't put on Facebook, say for Facebook, and I be Queen Iyobo. If now enter Queen Iyobo, now go see her. Make una help me, oh. In case I carry on back, come meet her. I go in and wipe her, oh. Then no come talk say I do bad thing. I say that now announce am. Say Queen no get right. Say Queen no dey there where you take carry me come. Say King in them be Esan. Then say na them be Esan. They no be Benin. So King no fit get right to tell them like that. Say Queen no get level. So make I come tell una make una help me oh. Make una help me oh. Make una help me oh. 35,000 naira no reach am. 30,000 no reach am. I out of 35,000. I say no fit pay 5,000. I don't tire. I no fit pay. I say I no go pay. Now they say they will carry my pants and my hair. Can't go do something. Say they go kill me. In case if anything happen, in case so make una help me oh. People of Edo make una help me oh.
My people, more now look this girl eye well. Some of her eye don't they white. The juju don't they kill him already. You must pay. You know why I tell you say you must pay? Yes. Oba do well. Do good. When you take toss me on and not pay again. You understand me on and not pay madam again. But since now where Oba say on and not pay madam again, una con they pay fine boy. You understand? Una con use fine boy now turn to madam. You understand me? Una they pay fine boy, they pay fine boy, they pay fine boy. Tell me the difference than madam to pay madam or to pay fine boy. Now to pay madam better pass. Now they pay madam because Oba don't save una for that thing. Una going they pay fine boy. Yes, you must pay. If you not pay, the juju go kill you because the ashawo you still they do am. Oba say don't do ashawo. Yes, he say me not do ashawo. Now so he tell una, but una still they do ashawo they go. You understand me? When they tell you say not pay, as the open man say not pay madam where carry you come. What you need to do is to stop the ashawo and find good thing to start doing by yourself. No, you not agree stop the ashawo. You can't they do ashawo. They take they pay fine boy. They put fine boy for us. Yeah, you must suffer it. You must pay. Your eye don't they yellow, don't they white. Everything don't they inside. See your mat now. You know go find say that fine boy where you put for us. Now in the video you saw. Now in the video yes. You did there now, they do not them. If you say that madam not pay you money, not give them money where they take you for come Europe, maybe now you for there for upper. They born like 7 children or 5 children. One go there for Okele, one go there for Ihama. All of them you go born for everywhere. That madam don't carry you come. Or back on say yes, not pay again. You know go feel use your head. You go come they find where fine boy dey, where the big kia dey, where the big cucumber dey. Now there you go they find they go. Now the juju so now they worry you so. Now they worry you. They ask your mama now how far you don't do this for her since then say me you not pay again. Your mama and your papa go say no, you never do anything. You never do. Yes, you dey busy. They carry the money they give fine boy. Now you come out now. Say me will do it. May you go call Palibe. Go call Palibe now. You don't know say juju where you don't so that your pint so there for juju place. Pint your baby where they your pekus there for juju. No worry. Tomorrow now you go enter your own one chance. But as then tell you say no pay. What you supposed to they do now no pay. You go just they go they do wrong. You go they take care of your family. You go they do something. The thing where then talk the juju no go affect you. But now you not agree. You stay now, you go hustle, you go carry the money, give fine boy. My sister, you go suffer. Really, you go suffer. Let me send you this message. Most of una where madam carry come this country, where Oba don't save una, say mo una no pay. Una no come settle down with a man. Una no come dey find work. My brother, my sisters, that juju must continue to dey torment you. You dey hear me? You go continue because you not do as Oba say. Una no respect Oba. You understand me? Not do ashawo, you still they do. You they do now, you know they pay who carry you come. And you know they use and give fine boy. May we go the next news, my people. Thank you.
I work for you, you pay me my money. I work for you, you pay me my money.
Go out from my business.
I'm not going until you pay me. You pay me my money.
I'm not gonna pay you.
You're not going to pay me.
No, you told me you go police station. Go.
You pay me my money. Why would you? As if you are giving me 250, as if I'm begging you for money. Why will you do that? If you have conscience, why will you give me 250?
I don't have conscience. I don't have.
Why? Why would you give me 250? For what reason?
Go.
Why will you give me 250? Don't push me. Don't push me. I work for you. You pay me.
You told me you go police station. You go Joe Plus. Go now.
You pay me my money. You pay me my money. I work for you and you pay me. I'm not begging you. Why will you give me Why will you give me 250?
Alabama, one time you go outside. The other time you go outside. Mala 4 hours, 4 hours. Next time I phone you.
What
Where are you?
4 hours,
Now, which one you go outside? You're supposed to start here. Alabama, 5 o'clock in the morning.
5 o'clock in the morning for what reason? One time you tell me to start work. You said I will resume work 6.
I told you to
I always come to work every 6. And I told you that I normally go to police station to sign.
Bara, outside. Outside.
You don't do that. You give me my money.
Let me phone the police myself.
Phone the police.
Phone
the police.
Bara.
Phone the police.
Oh, no problem.
I work for you.
Let's like clip.
I work for you. You give me my money. I'm not begging you for money. Flex. Call flex. I think I'm scared of dog or what? I work for you. You pay me.
Outside from my business. Bara.
You give my money. You don't fight me. You don't fight me. You pay me my money.
Bara, outside.
You want to fight me?
Outside.
You want to fight me?
Outside.
You want to fight me?
Outside.
You always come to St. Julian.
Go fucking police station.
Don't put hands.
Go police station.
You're a worker. He's not your brother. You work here. Don't
Go
put
police
hands here.
station. Go police
Give
station.
me my money, pay
Go
me.
police
So you guys
station.
are fighting me.
Go police station.
You guys are fighting me now. To pay my money, you are fighting me.
No, go police station. I gave you the 100 euros.
Why will you give me 200 euro for what reason?
Huh?
Why will you give me 200 euro for?
ما تعملها alla بدلوري. Hey, hey, touch me. That's what I want.
Why will I touch you?
Touch me, Pufta. Touch me, Pufta.
Everything is on record.
You
You
know-
are fighting me.
Oh, you
are
came
fighting
here.
Your father, look at what you are carrying. Everything is on record.
Mother,
You guys are beating me
You
here.
out. You came to steal inside here. My
You want to
I
steal?
get you.
You. Look
That's
at
what
you.
I will tell the police.
Look at you.
Outside,
Look at you. I'm just looking and laughing. I'm just
Bada,
laughing.
bada.
I'm just laughing at you.
What?
Look at. I work for them. They refuse to pay me. He's beating me.
Hey, stealing.
He's beating me. He's
Hey,
beating me.
para.
He refused to pay my money.
Para.
You.
Para, Pufta.
I'll sue you.
Sue me, yes. No.
I will sue you.
I get you here. You were
I
stealing.
work for him
Para.
to pay me. He refused to pay me.
Where is the fucking book?
I work for him for good 21 days. He never paid me a dime. I came here to ask my money. And the father is beating me with shovel. The father is flogging me with shovel. And he also is even blowing. He's blowing me also.
Para.
He's
Hey,
beating me.
para.
You can see that.
Para.
You can see that what they're doing.
Outside.
You can see. They're fighting me. They're beating
Hey.
me.
Hey. Para.
You see, I work for them. They refuse to pay me my money. The father is beating me with shovel. Look at what he did to me. He tore my clothes. You can see it. You can see it. I came to receive my money and he's beating me. He tore my clothes.
Para. I told you
He tore my
because
clothes.
I catch you steal here.
He tore my clothes.
Para.
What did I steal?
You steal last
What
time.
did
You
I
didn't come
steal?
here. You steal last time. Para.
I love them. They are fighting me. Fighting me. I came here to receive my money. The next thing he was telling me, after working 21 days, I work from 6 a.m. to 4 or 5 p.m. I refused to pay me my money. He tore my clothes. The father is here. Look at the father. Look at the shovel he was beating me with. He was beating me with shovel. The son is also fighting me. Look at my clothes. They tore everything. I need justice. I need justice for this. I need justice. Even some of their workers here also try to put hand and fight me. I didn't know what I did to them. I only come here. He was the one who asked me to come for my money, which I did. I came to them.
Para. Outside.
Thank God.
Outside.
You saw everything he's doing.
Para.
He's fighting me. He tore my clothes. I work for him. He refused to pay me. No problem. I need justice. I need justice. You don't tell him already. You don't tell the cloth already. You don't say him. You can never spoil it. I'm going to the station. This is the evidence. Because I work for him. You think I will be begging for my own money. Imagine these people coming to the work here for 21 good days. I borrowed money, feeding and everything, transport. I borrowed 200 euro. I came here now, you are giving me 250. As if I'm begging money from them. That's it, I'm going. I need justice for this. I really need justice. Thank you.
Yes, my brother, I feel your pain. I feel your pain. I feel your pain. I'm so sorry. So for the justice, my brother, you know if you get justice. Yes, you know if you get justice. Because you go imagine say the country where you for come, where then they call Nigeria. Whether you don't see anybody where get justice, without you are not from PDP or APC. Probably now, if you take Nigeria now, maybe you for day one of this party, PDP or APC, you go they break house, they break a house, they break everything. Those people wanna they break their house, they do everything. Who they seek justice for them? Nobody. Because why? They not get anybody. So all this thing now you need to understand. Say, my brother, you know if you get any justice for this country, or now go understand. Say country where we for come, people where they get justice. You go feel understand them first before you go they seek for justice for people country. Yes. You know how many people for Nigeria when it be say then they go work, then who go pay them? Who they seek justice for them? Nobody. So now it make it be so now where they Nigeria, where they Europe here. Now I need to send message to one our brother where they village. Say, my brother, don't vote for this, don't vote for that. Don't hear say Pastor one make your country good. Make your country good. You dey hear me so? know waiting good for you to make where. Now be say pastor go tell you say vote for this, you go vote. Pastor go tell you say you will receive healing tomorrow, you will agree. But meanwhile your country they go die every day. You there for people country where they build with their hands, where everything they okay. They know say if they not work, they not chop. You dey there, you say they seek for justice. No, you know can never get the justice. I'm so sorry. You work, yes, they not pay you and not support them, but you go reason your country where you for come first. The people country where you for come, people where they not they get justice. Even their own country where they not they get justice. Because why? Pastor now they seek justice for them. Pastor and the native doctor, all those things. They don't know so they need to protest, break the whole world, break the whole thing, make them come out for power, make them get good life. No, they not go do them. They wait, or everybody with they run come out, they go people country, they go they claim rights for there. Yes, I'm so sorry. You work, they not pay you. Yes, I know, but you have to look where you from, where you come from. Look whether everything, where that place where you for come, whether everything they okay. No, everything not they okay there. Life not good there. Everybody they suffer for there. So why must you come here and say you need justice? You cannot find the justice because the country where you come from, you don't even have any justice. Because I no go expect say China man now go come for Italy, go work. Italy person go give am 250. You know go fit happen. Where China sanction Italy here, Italy go begin they cry because the money where Italy hold China, many like as your country hold China. Now you make it be say make your country great. You wanna no go do. Or they say, yeah. So I'm sorry, guys. Yes, I'm sorry. You know, get justice. So my people, thank you so much for my support. Yes, I come in peace. We'll see the next time. Thank you, guys. Bye.